Join us on SLR.tv livestream at the Classic Car and Restoration Show from the NEC Birmingham between 20th and the 22nd of March 2026.
Welcome to the Transit Van Club. Thanks for joining us, by the way. That's Gareth's Ford Transit as well. Absolutely stunning. And we'll talk a bit more about the Raptor paintwork later on. And we'll meet the man as well. Check that out. How good is that? Yes. It is stunning. Anyway, we will get a closer look a wee bit later on and check it out. Oh, brilliant. 5-speed as well. Good. So, thing I like about the Transit Van Club, they always have plenty goodies. If you like collecting leaflets, might be a good place to stop off at. Yeah, everything transit you want to know and didn't know you wanted to know. More Transit Van leaflets. Excellent. This is also a van that we'll have a closer look at. We're going to look at that on the Sunday, just to give you a quick preview, quick drive-by. Magnificent. Those wheels as well. Wowee. There we go, more models. Check them out. Clara's there. Tyler's joined us as well. Thanks, Tyler. I think we'll maybe get somebody to co-host. Going out live here on your socials. There we go. I think we've just invited some guests. Clara's looking to co-host. We are only going to be here for a matter of minutes before we go live to the main stage here at the show, so let's just pick this up. It's a wee bit like Transit Bake Off, don't you think? And the GP's joined us, and Sriracha to co-host. Hopefully pick you up as well. As I say, we've just come on here and we're only going to be here for 5 minutes or so, but just looking at all things transit. Yep, very good, very good. Nice. The history of transit's all here on one stand, by the way. And oh, there you go. I have said that before, that transits, well, occasionally the bad ends get a hold of it, but that's quite good, yep. It robs you. Nice one, if you're picking that up. Thanks for joining us. To say you're with me, Stevo, hang on, I'll turn it round a bit so as you can catch me. There I am, that's it. You're with me, Stevo, here at the NEC in Birmingham. And we are on stand with the Transit Van Club. Hope you're enjoying it. Just a quick drive-by, as I say. More leaflets. More leaflets. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes to go. Just giving you fair warning. And we'll be back live at maybe about 10 to 4. And as I say, we will definitely go over Gareth's Ford Transit with a fine tooth comb. In the meantime, thank you. Thanks for joining us. And I'll catch you later. Thank you.